Beginner Chinese grammar 有 meaning to have. We can use it to express existence. For example, if you want to express there is something in somewhere, you can say a place plus 有 plus a noun. For example, if you want to say there are computers in my office, in the office, first we need to find out the place, which is the office, right? And the office is 办公室, right? In Chinese, 办公室. Now the second, we are going to find out the noun. So the noun in the sentence is computers, right? Computers. Computer in Chinese is 电脑. Yes, 电脑. And to say there are computers in the office, we just need to say 办公室, the place, plus 有, and plus the noun, which is 电脑. So 办公室有电脑 is the sentence. Let's just make it here. 办公室有电脑. 办公室有电脑. There are computers in the office. Okay, now let's try to make another sentence. For example, if you want to say there are kittens in my home, first we are going to find out the place, my home, right? That's 我家 in Chinese, 我家. Okay, and the noun is kittens, right? So that's 小猫. Do you know that? 小猫. Now we just need to say 我家 and plus 有 plus the noun, which is 小猫. So let's make the sentence. 我家有小猫. Now let's try another sentence. Let's put this one here. If we want to say there are cocktails at the bar is the place, right? At the bar, that's 酒吧 in Chinese, 酒吧. And cocktails, do you know? Cocktail is the noun in the sentence. Cocktails is 鸡尾酒. 鸡 meaning chicken. 尾 is tails. 酒 is alcohol. So 鸡尾酒 cocktails. Now we just need to say the place 酒吧有 the noun cocktails. 酒吧有鸡尾酒. So this is how we use the 有 structure. There is something in somewhere. Now here's your homework. How do you say there are Chinese people in my country? There are Chinese people in my country. But now if you want to say there's no something in somewhere, how did you say that? Did you learn that before? We would replace 有 as 没有. Place plus 没有 meaning there's no something. So for example, in the sentence, if we want to say there are no computers in the office, we would just say 办公室没有电脑. 办公室没有电脑. And the same if we change the sentence to there are no kittens in my home, that will be 我家没有小猫. Right? 我家没有小猫. There's no kittens in my home. There are no cocktails at the bar. Would be 酒吧没有鸡尾酒. 酒吧没有鸡尾酒. See you next time.